The 10 by 20 foot heavy-duty carport canopy with windows and sidewalls is easy to set up and tough enough for every season. The poles are 1.5-inch powder-coated steel which resists chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. The leg covers quickly hook into each of the 4 corners. The feet are easily attachable. And convenient Velcro straps in each corner help keep the canopy in place. The canopy and sidewalls attach to the frame with heavy-duty bungee cords. When your canopy is in place, the feet can be secured with the included stakes. And for extra security, the rivets along the sidewalls can be staked too. The zipper doors roll up easily and can be locked in with the attached buckles for maximum ventilation. With the 10 by 20 foot heavy-duty canopy, you can enjoy a brighter, more refreshing place to relax. ABBA Patio.